In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at adding pages to our website. In our example site here, we only have one page and one link. Um, of course, in different designs, the links are going to run across the top. Some designs, the links might run down the left-hand side of the page or the right-hand side of the page. Uh, it's a good idea to take a look first and see if you have plenty of room, especially when you have them run across the top like this. You may run out of room and one will get pushed off the edge or down to the next level, and this can look a little bit strange. So make sure it's going to fit in with your design. If not, find a existing link, and I'll give you an example of adding a sublink to a website. So you may have a link up here that's related to the new link that you want to add to your site, and we'll take a look at that a little more closely here in a little bit. First, we need to log into our admin, and we're going to go down to the pages link, and we're going to add a new page. And in our title, I'm just going to put contact. And in our content, I've already put together some content here. Let's have our business name with an H3 heading and our address with the address tag. This makes it easier for search engines to find your address and index it. So basically, that's all we really need to do to add a new page. So I'm going to go ahead and submit. Insert was successful, and we'll go ahead and refresh the site, and you can see our new link is here and our new page. Now let's say I had a lot of content here and didn't want my users scrolling forever, and maybe I wanted to add a subpage underneath my contact page. Now we can do that by going back here, and we're going to add a new page, and I'm just going to call this page Maps and Directions. And we'll put in a couple of subheadings here. I'm not going to do anything elaborate. It's just an example. And we'll make those H3s. Okay, that's good enough. Now, in order to make this a subpage or sublink, we're going to need to choose a parent page, and as we've already decided, we're going to use that contact page, and it's going to be the first link in that in the order. And of course, if you had a series of links underneath that contact page and you wanted to order them, then you could change the order by changing the number here of the order, 1, 2, 3, 4, of course. And basically we've got everything we need to add our subpage, so I'm going to hit submit, and we'll refresh here, go to our contact page, and as you can see under subpages we have maps and directions, and that brings up our maps and directions page. And that's really all there is to adding pages to your website. As I said before, just go ahead and make sure before you do that there's plenty of space for your links, and of course if that doesn't work out, then you may want to take a look at adding subpages.